How to fix add mention option not showing on Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Play Store and then search for Instagram application. Then tap on the application and then see if there is an update button. If there is an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Instagram. Next, tap and hold on Instagram application. Tap on app info and then go to its storage section. Then go to clear cache. Now go back and then launch your Instagram application. Now go to your story, tap on more and then see if there is your add mention icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.